Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT. Today's a brilliant day. Bitcoin broke out. Everyone's happy. Basically, Bitcoin did what I said it would do. Basically, so we came out of this descending wedge down here, and we basically created a new sort of new descending triangle and also descending wedge. This is on the 45-minute chart as well. So basically I said we would, if we broke out of this, then we should be coming up and sort of retesting the $29,500 level, which we did. And I did say, as long as we on the daily closed outside of this and above this support level here of $29,300, then we should be good for continuation. Also, we need to tick bullish on the MACD on the daily, which it looks like we are nearly about to do. This is partly why we're having this big breakout. As soon as we completely tick bullish on this MACD here, we're going up to $40,500. That's my prediction. I do think it's going to happen, and this is the start of it. I did say over the course of the next few weeks we should be getting up to around $40,500. And I do think we're going to get there. We are so close to ticking bullish down here on the MACD. If you guys can see that, we're so close. But this big breakout is just the start of it. But we also, just to clarify, we need to either close above the $31,100 level, or we need to close above the $31,800 level. Basically for continuation to towards the upside. This is what we need to do. So basically by the next sort of 2 hours or so, we need to close above one of these support, both of these support levels here. Well, either of these support levels here, or $31,100 or $31,800. This needs to happen. That means that we will start to basically go further up. I do feel like if we do start to let's go back to the 4 hour quickly. If we do sort of close above here, we'll probably end up either we will probably come back down to retest this support level here for confirmation, basically. So we basically come back down here like we do anytime we come up. We either come down to retest support to confirm that support, and then we come up further to the upside, create another sort of pattern, a bullish flag pattern or a bullish pennant pattern. Either if we break to the downside, we should retest this, or we break to the upside and we retest this. This is usually what happens. It's nice and healthy for Bitcoin, and this is what we need to happen, basically. So if we go back to the 45-minute chart, so basically what I said is that we'd obviously come up here to around $29,400, and we did. We broke out of this ascending wedge and we hit the target that I said, and we also on the daily closed above this support line here and outside of this descending wedge, which confirmed that we were going to be heading towards the upside. I don't think I said where we should be going, but theoretically, usually you'll be. So we've obviously broke through this resistance here. The next resistance to retest would be this one up here of 30,500, and we did that exactly. We come up there, we retested that, we broke through it, and we actually broke through that one. We broke through 31,100, and we even broke through $31,800, but obviously got rejected around $32,000, 32,200, I think that was. So we would either come back down here and retest support and then come back up for continuation, or we might even go a bit further up and try to retest the resistance of $32,400 here. We are looking fine. We are looking pretty good. We've got some nice volume coming up as well. We're still, yeah, so we're pretty much looking okay on the 45-minute chart. If we move up to the 1 hour chart, we're still looking groovy. I do feel like we are creating, so on the, let's just change this. So on the 1 hour chart, we are creating a bullish flag pattern. Like I mentioned earlier, we would either create a bullish flag pattern or a bullish pennant pattern, and this is what we've done. We've obviously had a impulsive break to the upside, and then we're going to start trading sideways here between sort of this sort of resistance level slash support level. At the moment it's sort of a bit in between, so this is where we'd put the bullish flag pattern here. If we obviously break to the downside, then we should be retesting but pretty much this support level here of $31,000. If we break to the upside, then we should be coming up to retest the next resistance level up here and potentially breaking through it. So we'll be breaking through the $32,500 and heading towards $33,200. That is on the 1 hourly chart. If we actually, where would we come down if we, probably one of these, but we won't even come down very far, to be honest. We would probably be coming down to retest this support here. That's pretty much it. So if we, so we would trade sideways here in the 1 hourly chart. If we break towards the downside, we'll be retesting this resistance level here of, what have I done there? We'll be retesting this resistance level here of about $31,200, and then we'll be, if we break towards the upside, we'll be retesting this resistance level here of $32,400, and we should be breaking out towards the upside and sort of reaching around these levels here of $33,200. This is what I think should probably happen. We are actually about to be ticking bullish soon here on the MACD, but we are also coming down here on the RSI. So if we do tick bearish on this RSI, then we should probably be breaking out of this bullish flag pattern and retesting this support level here of $31,100. So that is on the 1 hourly chart. What did I do there? I always seem to do something like that. If let's move up towards the 4 hourly chart. Obviously, we haven't finished the 4 hourly candle yet. We finished that in about an hour and 45 minutes. Once we finish that, you would then see a new candle here, which will probably confirm that we are in a bullish flag pattern. So that'll be the new start to our bullish flag pattern. And then the same again, if we obviously break towards the upside, the upside potential is probably a bit bigger. So yeah, it'll be quite a bit bigger if we break out of the 4 hourly bullish flag pattern. Obviously, this is not a confirmed bullish flag pattern just yet. We need to wait for this 2 hours to basically end and then the new candle to start. But you would probably see that it would start to form a bullish flag pattern. I've been pretty good at predicting what's going to happen before it actually happens. Genius. But yeah, basically, if we do break out of this, and so basically, if this creates a bullish flag pattern on the 4 hour chart and we do break out of it, and these are the sort of levels that we should be looking at breaking out of, then we should be coming out retesting $32,500, and then we should be getting quite a nice break to the upside and retesting $33,700. That is our target. We are looking fine for continuation. We're looking good on the MACD, we're looking good on the RSI, and we are getting some nice volume as well. We are heading towards the upside here, so we're getting some nice volume. It's looking good. Bitcoin's finally looking good for now, but this is obviously just in the short term. Hopefully we do carry on and we do sort of close above these support levels. As soon as we close above these support levels here and hit, well, this is a resistance at the moment, but if we close above this support level, that should confirm that we are ready to go further up towards the upside, or we would end up coming back down and basically retesting the support level to show how strong it is, and then we should be coming up. If we obviously break through, then we'd obviously break down further towards the downside and then probably end up back down towards these levels, the boring levels that we do not like. Let's head towards the daily chart. This is the more interesting chart that we need to be looking at right now. Also, we have actually broke out of this. So I basically said that we're in like a bearish sort of flag pattern on the daily chart. You can't really see it, but do we have time to? I'll see if I have time by the end of this video to quickly draw out what I think's happening on the daily chart for Bitcoin. But basically, we are literally about to tick bullish on the MACD. If we tick bullish on the MACD, we are basically sky's the limit. I think the next target will probably be around $40,500. We should have over the course of the rest of this week quite a nice break towards the upside, and probably in a couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, we should be seeing a $40,500 Bitcoin again. This is basically what I think. This is my prediction, and I'm like telling you now before anyone else says it. Basically, let's head towards XRP very quickly. We've done the same thing. Obviously, XRP created the same sort of patterns. We created a descending channel here, and basically I said that we've just been going sideways for now, and I did say that we should be breaking out of this descending channel pattern, and we did. We broke out, and we did what I said it should do roughly, and then we created another sort of descending triangle slash channel, and then we also broke out of that, and I said that we should break out of this, and then we should be coming up to retest the most local resistance, and we retested 39 cents. I'm pretty sure I said that this is what should happen, and we also created a sort of, if we go to a higher time frame, this will probably be a bullish flag pattern, and we've also broke out of that. So we are basically heading towards the upside. We should be trying to retest this resistance level here of 42 cents. Let's head towards, actually like 2 seconds. So this, we are nearly ticking bullish on the MACD here, and we've already ticked bullish on the RSI here. So we are looking good for continuation. We're getting some nice volume in on the 45-minute chart. If we head towards the 1 hourly chart, we should be okay here. We are nearly ticking bullish here on the MACD, and obviously we're seeing some nice volume here on the MACD as well, but we have swiftly been rejected up here of 41 cents. This is this a resistance level? Kind of, yeah, it is a resistance level. Let me just add that in very, very quickly. So about there. It's kind of a resistance level. So we are retesting 41 cents. We've been swiftly rejected. Let's head towards the 4 hourly chart very quickly. Obviously this is looking very nice. So like I said before I even looked at it, basically we did create a sort of a bullish flag pattern, and then we also broke towards the upside. So this is basically what I said earlier about, you can kind of see what pattern it is on the 45-minute chart. So basically what happened here is we've basically come out of this green candle here, and we've come up and we've retested this resistance level here of 41 cents, well basically nearly 42 cents. Yeah, about 41.5 cents. So yeah, this is basically what happened. If we go back to the 45-minute chart very quickly, like I said, like if you see this, like if you see a big green candle here, and then you see some sideways movement, you can sort of tell that on the higher time frames you would see that it would be a bullish flag pattern, and and yeah, that's what it's forming, and that's what it did do, and we broke out and we retested this resistance level here. We are looking okay for continuation, but the main thing that we are looking at is that we need to be ticking bullish here on the MACD, on the daily, for further continuation. We have still ticked bullish here on the RSI. So I do feel like that we should be heading further towards the upside. So yeah, I do feel like that we should be coming back up to retest this 41 cents, maybe even retesting this 42 cents on the daily, and then obviously sky's the limit after that. But we've been doing very well. So basically with XRP as well, I do feel like once this 4 hourly chart closes in the next hour and a half, we should be basically trading sideways again. So basically this sort of pattern again, trading sideways, creating another bullish flag pattern. If this happens, then I shall tell you the next rough target, because I'm not sure where this candle is going to start just yet. So let's say that it starts around here. Let's just delete this. So basically, if it starts around here, so if we stay around these levels, the new candle should start around here. So basically, if we broke out of this this bullish flag pattern here, then we should be breaking through this resistance of 42 cents, and we should be coming up to sort of come around 43.5 cents. There probably is a resistance level probably around here. Let's just put that in very, very quickly. Probably around there. So we're probably coming up to around 43.5 cents to retest 44 cents. That's XRP's prediction. Let's very, very quickly. I'm not sure if I'm going to have time. Bitcoin, I'm literally going to be running out of time. I'm probably going to run out of time, guys. Why is it doing that? Oh, this is my shot. Right. I would... Right. Daily. Very, very quickly. On the daily. On the daily. No. We'll have to do it tomorrow. I'm going to run out of time. I'm nearly 15 minutes ahead. guys, make sure you check out my recent video, and it'll basically just explain about the MACD and the daily, and also how high I think we should go. It's probably in like the last few videos, but make sure you slap a like on it, make sure you subscribe, click that bell notification so you can get these tips before it happens. I've been giving tips before it happens. You need to you basically need to watch these videos, guys. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a nice rest of the day, or rest of the evening, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.